Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get chat backup in iPhone or WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp in your iPhone and you want to get your chat backups, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your WhatsApp app. Very first, I recommend you update your WhatsApp app. Here you have to open your app store and simply search for WhatsApp. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your WhatsApp app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back. Open your WhatsApp app here and then tap on the settings option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on chats. Here select chat backup. Then tap on backup now. And after tapping on backup now, your chat backup will be successfully backed up. You can easily restore them after getting a backup or after reinstallation of your WhatsApp. So in this way, you can easily get chat backup on your WhatsApp and iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.